Okay, let's review 18b before we look at the questions that was associated with 18b on your exam. So 18b states, I can identify the characteristics of the following political systems: democracy, oligarchy, and republic. In the box here, let's review what those political systems entail. So democracy states government controlled by its citizens, either directly or indirectly. So you can have a direct democracy or you can have a representative democracy. The democracy is tied to ancient Greece if you want to look at it through the lens of the civilizations that we studied. A republic is a political system in which the leader is not a king and certain citizens have the right to vote. So if you're looking at a republic, you're looking at Rome, ancient Rome, and you're getting a representative government in the form of a republic. Oligarchy, rule by a few, especially when rule is based on wealth. So in oligarchy, you have a few that rule, and typically those rulers are wealthy citizens. So let's look at the question that's tied to it. It was question 9, and it states theocracy, ruler that controls both political and religious affairs. Oligarchy, ruled by a few, especially based on wealth. And then you're trying to figure out what goes under democracy. So which sentence best completes the table above? A, the ruler is a religious leader. B, government leaders are elected. C, the ruler's governing powers are strictly limited. D, the ruler ignores traditions. So the correct answer here is B, the government leaders are elected. A is incorrect. The ruler is a religious leader. That is tied to theocracy. C, the ruler's governing powers are strictly limited. In a democracy, the rulers have to listen to the voice or what the citizens want. So representative government, where people have a right to vote and stuff. So they're not strictly limited. They do have some power, and so that is incorrect. The D, the ruler ignores traditions. This is incorrect because a ruler ignoring traditions in a democracy, basically everything is built off of traditions, so a ruler would not ignore the tradition. So that makes that one incorrect.